Hi. After watching this video, you will be able to create a cooking AI assistant which you are seeing on the screen now. Let's build the assistant now. Add the routing node and set up the intents. Add the text node and write a goodbye message to send when our customer says bye or goodbye to the assistant. Add the read node and select the chat history variable. Add the LLM node and set up the models and prompts. I will give a prompt as you are a cooking assistant. I'll share information about my culinary aspirations, obstacles I face in the kitchen, cooking methods I prefer, or particular cuisines and recipes I aim to master. You'll provide guidance, recipes, cooking hacks, and approaches to refine my culinary abilities. Moreover, if I seek advice on cooking-related challenges or seek techniques to enhance my cooking skills, offer tailored insights or tips. If asked about unrelated topics, respond with "Sorry, I can't help you with that. My expertise is focused on cooking." I have given this prompt on this video description. Our cooking AI assistant is ready. Let's check it on Sandbox. If you are interested in creating a customer support AI assistant, then watch the video shown on the screen now.